Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Want to learn how to make smooth morph transitions between slides in Canva? Click the Create button at the top, then choose Presentation from the drop-down list to start your project. With your presentation open, click on the Elements tab. This lets you browse and add shapes, graphics, and more to enhance your slide's visual appeal. Type octopus in the search bar, then enter. Select any animated image you prefer from the available options to use in your project or presentation. Pull this item from the list, then analyze the data provided. This allows you to gain insights and identify trends based on the extracted information. Add a text heading by typing octopus into the text box and confirming your entry. Click the Add button to include this item on your map. The feature will now appear in the selected location, allowing you to visually organize your information and access it easily whenever you need it. Click the Animate button, then select Baseline. Next, click Download. Adjust the animation speed as needed, and finally, select Baseline again to apply changes. Click the down arrow to decrease the speed. This will slow down the playback, making it easier to follow along or analyze the video as you watch it at a slower pace. To adjust the playback speed of your video, locate the speed control at the bottom of the timeline. Drag the slider upward to increase playback speed according to your preference. Scroll down to locate the flag color section. Click on Add Flag Color to open the color selection menu. Browse through the list of available colors and select the color you want to use as your flag. The selected color will now appear next to your item, indicating it is flagged. If you need to change the color later, simply click on the flag again and choose a new color from the menu. Once you're satisfied with your selection, make sure the flag appears as desired in your view. Repeat this process for any additional items requiring a flag color. After completing the previous steps, you're ready to experiment with the new feature. Click on the element you want to test and notice how it responds to changes. Adjust the settings as needed to see different results. If you want to remove the object, simply select it, then click the Remove button located in the top menu. Confirm your choice in the pop-up window, and the item will disappear from your project. You can repeat this process with other elements as well. Play around with different settings to get a feel for how everything works. This hands-on approach helps you learn the tool more effectively. Continue exploring features as you become more comfortable with the interface and its options. The cap will remain securely in place during use. You won't need to remove it, ensuring that your marker tip stays protected and doesn't dry out between projects. Whether you're blending colors or outlining details, the cap's design helps maintain ink quality and prevent leaks. Simply uncap when you're ready to draw and snap it back on when finished. This feature supports consistent performance, saving you time and helping your supplies last longer. Trust the cap to keep your marker ready for action. Click to open Magic Society. Next, copy the provided code by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+C. Now, navigate to the designated input field and click inside the box. Paste the code by pressing Ctrl+V, making sure the entire code appears correctly. Double check for errors, then look for the confirmation button, usually labeled Submit or Apply, and click it to complete the process. Your code should now be processed, allowing you to proceed to the next step in Magic Society. Paste your text into the designated field at the top of the screen. Next, look for the Design option in the sidebar or menu and click on it to access more customization features. Within the Design menu, find and select the Font option. Here, you can browse through the available font styles and choose the one that best fits your project. Adjust the font settings as needed to match your preferred style and appearance. To add animation, select your object and choose the Baseline Animation option. Adjust the speed to your preference for the desired effect. Once you've set the speed, click the Play button to preview the animation in action. This process helps demonstrate how animation can enhance your project and effectively add more bandwidth to your presentation. To turn the setting back to its previous state, first navigate to the main menu. Locate the option labeled Settings and click to open it. Scroll through the available options until you find the section you want to revert. Select it, then look for a toggle or drop-down that allows you to change the setting. Choose the prior value or disable the recently changed feature. Confirm your selection and the setting will be restored. This completes the process of returning your configuration to how it was before. Continue working with your updated preferences. You've just learned to make smooth morph transitions in Canva. Like and subscribe for more easy presentation tips.